Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to create a request collection bot. Simply put, this is a bot that will ask customers for any information and send it to the administrator in a convenient format. There are many different templates for the bot on the site, but today we will use a bot for collecting applications. Click Create and insert our API token. Click Clone the select bot. Now we are waiting for the green status of our bot. Today, we are going to make a bot for a beauty salon. With the help of our bot, customers will be able to get acquainted with the catalog of products and sign up for certain services. However, to do this, you will need to enter data such as a phone number, a convenient recording time, and the name of the service. Let's first set up the menu of our bot. To do this, go to the main menu management. And here we definitely check that the mod menu is reply. Creating a new button, let it be a directory. And also let's add a buy button. Great, now let's get to these buttons. We will bind actions to the buttons. To do this, go to Workflow. As we can see, the whole bot consists of a huge number of modules. Let's first move on to the module for pressing the /start button. As we can see, here we have an action, that is, pressing the /start button, after which a welcome message is sent. Let's edit it. To do that, go to Edit. And here we click the check. Here we enter our welcome message. And also let's add constants. We turn to constants. And here we choose a username. Constants are needed so that, for example, our bot communicates with a person named Save. Now, with the help of such logics like in the Start button, let's try to configure our Products button. To do this, click plus, and first of all add an action. Here, we need to enter the exact name of our button, in our case the products. Click Add. Now we need to add events to our module. To do this, click plus, and select the events already. Go to Editing it. And click Add. Here we choose a simple message. And here we can choose a ready-made one, or create a new one. Click plus to create a new one, and select our message. Here we write the text that will appear after clicking on the goods. It is here we can enter different products, goods, services, and so on. Click Save. And we check how it will look in the telegram. Now let's set up the Buy button. After clicking on the Buy button, a person will be asked for his phone number, a convenient time for recording, and the name of the service for which he wants to sign up. After that, all this information in a convenient format will be sent by the administrator. In the form of an application, click Plus and add events. Also enter the exact name of the button. After clicking on the button, a person should receive a message asking them to send their phone number. Therefore, we add an empty message. Save it. Great! Now, after the bot asks our person to send the phone number, the bot should wait for the person's response. To do this, click Plus. Go into Editing. Since the person's message will be saved to a variable, you need to specify the name of the variable. Save it. Now we need to check our variable to see if it is a phone number. To do this, click Plus and add the conditions. Go into Editing and add a variable check. In the first field, we enter a variable from the left column. And be sure to write the text in square brackets at the end. And in the lower field, we prescribe the conditions. You can write your own condition or choose a ready-made one. In our case, we will choose a phone number. Now let's add a message that the user will receive if he enters an incorrect phone number. Click Plus. Action. Go into Editing and add a simple message. We inform the user that the phone was not entered in the correct format. Save it. Great! Now let's connect our message with the negative outcome of our condition. And we will also make it so that after sending this message, a person can re-enter the phone number. The phone number was also checked according to the condition. Now let's add a message that will ask the person to enter other information, namely a convenient recording time. Click the plus and add the action. and I add a free message with a request to specify the time. Let's connect the message with our condition and also add the expectation of entering information from the user. Now let's call our variable time. Adding new conditions. And according to the same logic, we configure the variable check. Select the variable time and enter the text in square brackets. But we will choose different conditions. At this point, we will make a message in a slightly different format. Instead of asking the user to enter the necessary information, we will make a drop-down menu, in which the user can select the desired item himself. Right Select Service and click Create Menu. In Control, be sure to change the mod menu to Reply. And also in the menu settings, turn on the small keyboard and add. Great, now a man. Just click on the desired item, add the weight input. And let's call the variable service. Let's make a new application. We write our phone number. Now is the time. Hours and minutes. Now select the service from the menu. As we can see, your message has been sent to the administration. After filling out the application, the administrator receives a full message with information about the application in a convenient format.